Ever wondered about those tiny seeds making waves in the health and wellness sector? Yes, we're talking about chia seeds. These minuscule powerhouses have been around for centuries, originally cultivated by the ancient Aztecs and Mayans. The word chia actually translates to strength in the Mayan language, and these seeds were considered a staple food, prized for their ability to provide sustained energy. Fast forward to the present, and chia seeds have surged in popularity across the globe, earning a well-deserved spot in the pantheon of superfoods. Health enthusiasts and culinary adventurers alike are embracing these seeds for their exceptional nutritional profile and culinary versatility. So, what makes chia seeds so special? Well, they're packed with a multitude of essential nutrients. Just a single ounce of chia seeds delivers a significant amount of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They're also an excellent source of minerals like calcium, manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus. Plus, they boast an array of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and support overall health. But it's not just their nutritional prowess that's impressive. Chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. They have a mild, nutty flavor that blends seamlessly with a variety of dishes. You can sprinkle them onto your salads, stir them into your yogurt, mix them into your smoothies, or even use them as an egg replacement in baking. And let's not forget chia pudding, a delicious and nutritious treat that's as simple as combining chia seeds with your choice of liquid and letting them soak. But what exactly makes these tiny seeds so beneficial? Let's delve deeper into the world of chia seeds. Chia seeds, despite their small size, are literally packed with essential nutrients. These tiny powerhouses are a treasure trove of nourishment, boasting a nutrient profile that is nothing short of impressive. Let's start with fiber. Just a 1-ounce serving of chia seeds provides a whopping 11 grams of dietary fiber. That's nearly half of the recommended daily intake for adults. Fiber plays a crucial role in digestive health, assisting with bowel regularity and helping to maintain healthy weight. Next up, protein. Chia seeds are an excellent source of quality protein, especially for those who follow plant-based diets. 2 tablespoons of these seeds contain about 4 grams of protein, offering a balance of essential amino acids necessary for tissue growth and repair. Omega-3 fatty acids are another significant nutrient found in chia seeds. These essential fats are known for their heart health benefits, but the body can't produce them on its own, so they must be obtained from the diet. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, contributing to reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. Now let's talk about minerals. Chia seeds are brimming with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are vital for bone health. They also contain trace amounts of zinc, copper, and potassium, contributing to various bodily functions, including immune support and maintaining healthy blood pressure. And last but not least, antioxidants. These natural compounds help protect our cells from damage by free radicals, unstable molecules that can lead to chronic diseases. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which not only offer health benefits, but also protect the seeds themselves, preventing them from going rancid. So there you have it. Chia seeds are a nutritional goldmine, offering a host of essential nutrients in every tiny seed. These nutrients not only contribute to our overall health, but also offer specific benefits which we will discuss next. Heart health and weight management are 2 critical aspects of our well-being, where chia seeds can play a significant role. Let's talk about heart health first. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are known to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, both crucial factors for maintaining a healthy heart. Research shows that regular consumption of foods rich in omega-3s, like chia seeds, can enhance heart health and potentially reduce the risk of heart disease. Now let's shift gears and talk about weight management. The idea of a tiny seed aiding in weight loss might seem far-fetched, but there's science to back it up. Chia seeds are high in dietary fiber, a nutrient that promotes feelings of fullness. When you consume foods high in fiber, you're likely to feel satisfied longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. This can be incredibly beneficial for those looking to manage or lose weight. But how much fiber do chia seeds contain? A single ounce of chia seeds packs nearly 11 grams of fiber. That's about 40% of the recommended daily intake. Imagine getting almost half of your daily fiber needs from a small serving of these tiny, power-packed seeds. It's important to note, however, that while chia seeds can support weight management, they're not a magic bullet for weight loss. They should be part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle that includes regular physical activity. So whether it's heart health or weight management, chia seeds can be a worthy addition to your diet. Their rich nutrient profile can help you on your journey towards better health. And guess what? That's not all. These seeds also support our digestive system and help in controlling blood sugar levels. A healthy digestive system and stable blood sugar levels are key to our overall health. And guess what? Chia seeds can help with both. Let's talk about digestion first. The soluble fiber found in chia seeds plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy digestive system. This type of fiber works like a sponge, absorbing water and expanding in the gut. This process helps slow down the passage of food through the digestive tract, allowing for better nutrient absorption. Plus, this expansion effect promotes a feeling of fullness, which can help control appetite and aid in weight management. But that's not all. This soluble fiber also helps regulate bowel movements, making chia seeds a natural remedy for constipation. They work by adding bulk and moisture to stools, making them easier to pass. This can lead to improved regularity and overall digestive health. Now let's switch gears and talk about blood sugar. Blood sugar spikes and crashes can leave you feeling tired and cranky, and can be particularly problematic for individuals with diabetes. But here's where chia seeds come in. Chia seeds have been shown to slow down the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar. This is thanks to their high fiber content, which slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to prevent those dreaded blood sugar spikes. This quality makes chia seeds a potentially beneficial food for people with diabetes or those at risk. Furthermore, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that incorporating chia seeds into bread reduced the post-meal blood sugar spike in participants, underscoring the potential role of chia seeds in blood sugar control. So, whether you're looking to support your digestive health or keep your blood sugar levels in check, chia seeds could be just what you need. They're easy to incorporate into your diet, and as we've seen, they pack a powerful nutritional punch. So, we've covered heart health, weight management, digestive health, and blood sugar control. But there's still more that chia seeds offer. Chia seeds are not just about the heart and gut. They also support our bones and help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Their remarkable properties extend to bone health, thanks to their rich content of calcium and phosphorus. These two minerals play a critical role in maintaining strong and healthy bones and teeth. In fact, chia seeds offer a higher percentage of the recommended daily intake of calcium per ounce than most dairy products. So if you're lactose intolerant or just not a fan of milk, chia seeds are a great alternative to ensure you're getting enough of this vital mineral. But the benefits of chia seeds don't stop there. They are also packed with antioxidants, those wonderful substances that help combat oxidative stress in our bodies. Oxidative stress, caused by free radicals, is linked to aging and various diseases. The antioxidants in chia seeds help neutralize these free radicals, protecting our cells from damage and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. In addition to their antioxidant properties, chia seeds possess anti-inflammatory effects thanks to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are known to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help alleviate symptoms associated with chronic inflammation like pain and swelling. These fatty acids may even have a protective effect against certain inflammatory diseases. So, chia seeds are not only nutrient-dense powerhouses, they also play a significant role in maintaining bone health, fighting oxidative stress, and reducing inflammation. They truly are a superfood, offering a myriad of health benefits that extend far beyond their tiny size. And as if all these benefits weren't enough, chia seeds also support our brain and skin health. The benefits of chia seeds extend to our brain and skin as well, making them truly all-round superfoods. Picture this. Your brain, a complex organ, is like a high-performance vehicle. It needs quality fuel to run smoothly, and omega-3 fatty acids are just that. These essential fats are known for their role in maintaining brain health. Chia seeds, rich in these omega-3s, support cognitive function, helping to keep our minds sharp. They aid in building and repairing brain cells, contributing to stronger neural connections. Moreover, studies suggest that omega-3s may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, acting as a protective shield for our brains. So, adding chia seeds to your diet is like providing your brain with a safety helmet. Now let's shift our focus from the brain to the skin. Our skin, the body's largest organ, acts as a protective barrier, and it needs nourishment too. Here again, chia seeds come to the rescue. They are a treasure trove of antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, protecting our cells from damage. This defense mechanism helps delay the aging of our skin, keeping it youthful and vibrant. But that's not all. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds also play a vital role in skin health. They help reduce inflammation and promote hydration, contributing to a healthy, glowing complexion. In essence, chia seeds are like the ultimate self-care package for your brain and skin. They are not just a health food, but a beauty food too, offering a natural, nutrient-rich approach to maintaining brain function and skin health. Just imagine, all these benefits packed into tiny seeds. It's no wonder that chia seeds have earned the title of a superfood. They truly embody the saying, "Good things come in small packages." Now that we've explored the myriad benefits of chia seeds, let's talk about how to incorporate them into our diets to maximize these benefits. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is quite simple and versatile. These nutrient-dense powerhouses can be added to just about anything, given their mild flavor and tiny size. One of the easiest ways to enjoy chia seeds is by adding them to your morning smoothie. Just a tablespoon or two can supercharge your drink with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Yogurt is another excellent companion for chia seeds. Their crunchy texture adds a delightful contrast to the creaminess of the yogurt, not to mention the added health benefits. Oatmeal is yet another great way to incorporate chia seeds into your breakfast. The seeds can be mixed in while the oats are cooking or sprinkled on top just before serving. Salads can also benefit from a sprinkle of chia seeds. They add a subtle crunch and a dose of nutrients to your leafy greens. Baked goods aren't left out of the chia seed revolution either. You can add them to your favorite muffin, bread, or cookie recipes for an extra nutritional punch. For a unique and healthy dessert or breakfast, try making chia pudding. It's as simple as combining chia seeds with your choice of liquid, like milk or a dairy-free alternative, and leaving it to soak. The seeds will swell and take on a gel-like consistency, creating a pudding that's both delicious and good for you. However, while chia seeds are undoubtedly beneficial, it's essential to remember they absorb water and expand in the stomach. This means you need to ensure proper hydration when consuming chia seeds. Start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake to give your digestive system time to adjust. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the benefits of chia seeds and how to include them in your diet. Remember, a small step towards incorporating these tiny seeds into your diet can lead to significant health benefits. Chia seeds, a small but mighty superfood, offer a host of health benefits. They're a treasure trove of nutrients like fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, minerals, and antioxidants. They can do wonders for heart health, weight management, and digestion. They also help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great addition to the diet of individuals managing diabetes. What's more, chia seeds contribute to maintaining strong bones and teeth, thanks to their calcium and phosphorus content. The antioxidants they contain combat oxidative stress, offering cell protection. Plus, their omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory effects that can benefit various chronic diseases. But that's not all. These tiny seeds also support brain health and contribute to healthy skin. You can easily incorporate chia seeds into your meals by adding them to smoothies, salads, or baked goods, or by creating a delicious chia pudding. So next time you're looking for a nutrient boost, don't forget these tiny powerhouses called chia seeds. Do not forget to subscribe and share.